dog, and first of all she was just sitting on me and then my legs started cramping, so I scooched her over a little bit so I could continue stretching out my legs while I was editing, and she's just so cute. Are you cozy in your costume? Aww, big stretch for little Bean. So pretty. I am just going to the grocery store. And I don't think I've ever worn these pants out yet, but they're super cozy. And because I'm going to the grocery store, I just want to be comfy. So yeah, let's go do that. Just got back from the grocery store. I got a bunch of cold groceries. I'm gonna go put in the freezer and the fridge now. And I love this bag that we got from Costco because it keeps everything so cool. I am really excited about these imperfect peppers. They look so cool. Yesterday, my friend came over. I'm gonna turn off the fan for a second. Yesterday, my friend Amber came over and we did kind of paint by numbers. And when we opened this scroll with the canvas in it, we were both like, how on earth are we gonna finish this? So it's teeny tiny pieces. So I'm gonna have to do a little section like almost every night in order to finish it before Halloween, because it is like a spooky theme. It's got like a little ghost in the middle, and it's kind of impressionist picture, kind of like a Monet, like a Claude Monet painting. And I do want to hang it up around Halloween time, so I need to work on it every single day in order to get it done. I need to do the math on the squares because I don't know how many little pieces of the squares there are in that painting, but I can probably divide it by how many days I have to work on it and be like, okay, I need to do 10 squares a day or 20 squares a day, you know what I mean? But anyways, it was really fun. We just hung out and painted the rest of the night. I went to bed pretty late, so I'm pretty tired this morning. But yeah, I'm ready for a new day. We are getting ready for a trip as well. Hence the reason I'm trying to get a hold of laundry as well, because A, it's hard to walk around in this house and not hit a load of laundry with your toe or your foot. And B, we need clothes to go on our trip, especially because the weather is not looking optimal. So we need warm clothes, especially for the trip we're going on this weekend. I got this new phone case and it's got like MagSafe compatible. So I'm guessing it's compatible with that like magnet that you can put on your dash, and it's got full protection and easy button access. So I want to put this on my phone because the phone case that I have on my phone currently is like so broken, and I record using my phone, and since I'm going to the camp where it looks like it's going to be pretty rainy, I want good protection on said phone. So I'm going to open this and put it on and show you guys. It's definitely going to take some time getting used to this, but I like the mushrooms. The case is really cute. What do you guys think? I also need to wash my face and brush my teeth. All right, I just did some skincare. I used the jelly face cream from Innisfree that I got at Winners, and my skin always feels so like dewy and moisturized when I use that. I'm going to get changed into a leotard and tights, so all right, the top or the leotard is from Wear Moi, but it's actually from Tutu list. And shorts, I forget, I've had them for many years. Anyways, now I'm ready so I can do a ballet class. Okay, so last night I had an epiphany. I was like, okay, I'm kind of nervous about dancing on the stage, I'm not gonna lie. Especially because Esmeralda has a lot of pirouettes, as you guys know. So I was like, what's a variation that's relatively easy, still kind of impressive to watch, and I don't have to do a lot of turns, because every variation you're probably gonna have to do turns or jumps at some point. And I also can't use that much space because I'm pretty sure the stage is pretty small. And then I was like, oh my God, Act 2 Swan Lake, you know, Odette's variation, do-do, do. That whole first part isn't turning at all. I can change part where it's the jumps because I don't think I have that much stage. I can change it to some other kinds of jumps like grand jetés. And the nice thing about it being like a talent show is I don't have to do the exact same variation. Like I can change it a little bit. It's not like a performance that people pay to see, or it's not like I'm with a company and I'm doing the exact choreography. I can just kind of do what I want. Like I could probably just improv if I really wanted to, but I don't feel confident enough to just whip out whatever I feel like on stage. I'll probably just look like weirdo. So I think I might try that tonight or tomorrow when I'm in the studio for longer tomorrow and see if I feel better doing Odette. We will see, we will see. I think that's good in terms of a little bit of makeup. Another thing I need are earrings. I need to wear earrings in class. I just don't feel myself without some kind of earring in my ear. You know what I mean? You know what earrings I haven't worn in a while? I haven't worn these Chanel ones in a really long time, so I'm gonna throw these ones in. Here we go. There's one. Oh. And here's second. I also need to redo my nails before. That's fine though. Okay, and then I'm just gonna throw my hair up in kind of a bun like that. Do a flat bar just to make sure I'm still like semi in shape, you know? Oh my goodness. Okay. I also cannot forget like a cool costume or something because I don't want to just go in like a leotard, you know? I need to wear like my tutu, something fun. Swan Lake would be fun to do. I've never done that as a performance. I've done Sleeping Beauty. Actually, I have done Swan Lake now that I think of it at like a gala, but here we go. I'm just gonna leave my hair in a pony because I'm gonna do a flat bar and it won't get in the way because I'm not turning. That's it. Like I said, I'm gonna put on my flat ballet shoes instead of my pointe shoes. I also don't know where my pointe shoes are. I just washed the ouch pouches, the toe pads, because they were, okay. There we go. Finished look. Maybe I'll put a skirt on too. It feels weird to be in shorts without a skirt. I'm gonna put a skirt on. This is a skirt I haven't worn in a while. It has these little like gold parts and purple flowers. I think it's really pretty with these little polka dots everywhere. And it goes kind of with the blue, right? I think it does anyways. So let's put on this one today. Something a little bit different. Oh, I have to sneeze and I just put on mascara. I don't think I got any mascara on my under eye, did I? I don't think so. Okay, we are moving the ballet bar downstairs. And by we, I mean Steve. Here we go. House tour. Just kidding. Okay, I've done my part. Now build me my bar, sir. This is how you build a ballet bar, isn't it? It's been a while since I've used this. I love my present. I just haven't had time to even do a ballet class, really. But I'm performing. I'm excited to see you perform.
Yes.
This portion of the video is sponsored by, what's your business called? Bar making business.
Steve's Bars Not Booze.
You say booze?
Steve's Bars Not Booze.
Mm-hmm. Thank you. So I chose to do a dance master class in the end, and it's been a while since I've done an actual ballet class, either in person or a dance master class. Usually I've just been doing my own thing, following what I want to do, and it's been nice to have a class in front of me, and I love dance master class for that. This isn't sponsored, by the way. This is literally just what I used, and I have a year subscription to dance master class, so I was like, you know what? I haven't used it in a couple of weeks, so today's the day I'm going to get back on it, and I just love the variety that Dance Masterclass offers for dancers and artists. And when I get back from my vacation and back from my trip, I know I'm going to be nice and refreshed and rejuvenated and inspired to work, so I'm excited to come back knowing that I have a platform such as Dance Masterclass to look towards and look forward to learning from. I feel like the transition from dance student to no longer a dance student can be kind of tricky because you're so used to doing a class and having a teacher and having that kind of guidance. So when you're either professional or if you're like me and you've retired from your professional ballet journey, it's really hard to motivate yourself, and it's hard to get to a ballet class as well because, let's face it, I'm not in the same kind of shape I was in when I was dancing professionally and dancing like 8 hours every single day for 6 days a week. And I don't mean physically, I mean quite literally, like being able to get through a variation is hard for me now. And getting through exercises is also difficult for me. The stamina's not there, the strength isn't there, and yeah, getting to ballet classes sometimes for me is daunting because I know there's a lot of young professionals or some students in there, and
I have trouble comparing myself in class, I'm not gonna lie, and I've been getting better at it because I've realized as I get older, this is my journey, no one else's, and if I can give any advice to any dancers out there who might be going through a similar thing, it would be to go to any and all classes that you can, especially classes that have a teacher and it's either live feedback online if you can't get to a ballet class in person, or a ballet class in person, because having that human connection, whether it's online or in person, is so important, and getting that feedback live is so much different than trying to correct yourself, because we all know our flaws very easily and we all know our strengths, but sometimes it's hard to recognize the things that we don't automatically see. You know what I mean? Now that I'm watching this video, sometimes I'm like, oh, I could have washed my shoulders and lifted my chin a little bit more. You know, just these little things you don't notice while you're dancing and you're seeing yourself in the mirror. So moral of the story, don't be scared, just take the darn class, is basically what I'm trying to say.
All right. Okay. I just finished that amazing ballet bar. It was just like an easy one. And I feel really good. I'm gonna go make lunch now. I probably should go over the variation ones before I do it at the studio, because I'm just gonna have time to run through it maybe once today. Tomorrow I'll have more time at the studio, so I'll make sure to bring my dance masterclass iPad with me and I'll do a class there and then throw my pointe shoes. Try it out, try out the variations I want to try out, because yeah, tomorrow's the last day before we leave, and then I'm performing it on Saturday, so I'm just gonna mark through it now just so I remember it, and then I'm gonna go make lunch.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Let me know in the comments down below if you like vlogs like this, what you want to see next, and if you want to see a recording from the dance that I did at the talent show. I haven't done it yet, but as I'm recording this voiceover, I'm currently packing for my trip, so by the time this video goes out, I would have done it, and fingers crossed for me. Please and thank you.
I'm gonna change it like that.
But like I said, thanks again so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.